First of all, very warm good morning everyone. As you know that myself Kashan, I belong to Badui. Today I am here to share my views about save nature, save mankind. The delicate balance of nature has been disturbed due to increased population of human beings. The activities of mankind have led to decrease in the green cover comprising forest land. This has resulted in many wild animals getting extinct or reaching the brink of extinction. Increased population result in clearing of forest land. Encroaching is done for farming, leading to decrease in living space for wild animal. Poaching for skins, rhino horn, elephant tusk, has has led to a decrease in their numbers. Not only has the loss of habitat played havoc, but the greed for animal products has caused the dwindling of the species of tiger, rhinoceros, elephant, crocodile, and many of the birds. This has adversely affected the food chain. There is an urgent need for afforestation and strict implementation of forest land forest law implementation of forest law. More wildlife sanctuaries are needed to protect the forest land, where more voluntary agencies need to be active and work for Gandhiji message. Nature has enough for man's need, but not for man's greed. That's all about my topic. Thank you so much.